Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful animation widget in Flutter, the animated builder. With it, you can create smooth, efficient, and reusable animations in your app. I have already do code. Now I explain it. Import Flutter package, imports Flutter material design package, which provides ready-to-use widgets and UI components. Import dot math package imports the math library to use mathematical constants and functions like pi. Animated builder screen extends stateful widget that defines a stateful widget that can be built when its internal state changes. Constructor with optional key parameter for widget identification. Override state animated builder screen creates state creates the mutable state animated builder screen state associated with this widget. This line explains the state class for animated builder screen single ticker provider state mixin provides a single animation ticker used by animation controller. Late animation controller underscore controller controls the animation. It defines duration, playback, and repetition. Late animation double underscore rotation animation defines an animation that outputs double values, in this case for rotation angle. Now we call instate. Instate is used for take the response in the UI screen immediately. Call the parents class in state to properly initialize state. Controller equal animation controller duration 4 seconds. You can also change duration value, sets animation duration to 4 seconds. We think uses the current widget has a ticker provider to sync animation with screen refresh rate. Dot repeat starts the animation in a continuous loop, repeat indefinitely. Rotation animation equal tween double begins 0 and 2 multiply pi dot animate bracket underscore controller. It means that defines a twin interpolator from 0 to 2 pi radians, a full rotation. Context it connects sorry connects it to the controller to produce animated values. Dispose the function controller.dispose release animation controller resources when widget is removed. Super.dispose calls Parent dispose method to clean up properly. Builds the UI for this widget. Scaffold, as you know that scaffold is the main screen of the app. Its background color is this app bar. Here we take title, center title, background color, and also elevation and shape of the app bar with border radius. Body. Here we take center widget to use animated builder widget for animation. Animated builder, we take its property animation underscore rotation animation listens to the rotation animation and rebuild whenever its update its value is taken from the here. Builder context child defines how to build the widget tree during animation. Return transform.rotate angle rotation underscore rotation rotation animation dot value rotates the child widget according to the current animation value. Child the child widget that is belong that is being animated passed below. Child here we take container the widget that rotate. This is width of the width and the height of the container decoration. Here we take a gradient colors in container, border radius, box shadow for design the color in container, blur radius, offsets. You can also change the values according to your need. Child center. Here we take icon dot sync its color and its size is this. Display a white sync icon to visualize rotation. Now we move to the emulator to see the results. Now you will see that icon is rotate continuously without stop. It means that you can use this type of animation in your app. You do not need to use GIF file animation. If you found this helpful, please like the button, subscribe for more Flutter videos, and comment below which animation you want to see in the next video.